Hey, I'm Greg from Bell's Backyard Garden. It's time to start planting our seeds in our raised garden beds and into our containers. We'll only have 5 minutes to get this done, so let's jump right in it. Technique number one, I can never find those easy to use seed tapes in my garden center. I'm gonna go ahead and make my own indoors. Let's go. All you need to get started is flour, water, a mixing bowl with a spoon, toilet paper, a plate, scissors, your seeds, and a squirt bottle. The first thing you do is take your toilet paper, roll it out. I usually roll mine out about 24 inches, but for this video, I'm going to do it about 16. Next, go ahead and cut your toilet paper in half. In your mixing bowl, add equal parts of flour and water, then mix thoroughly until it gets the consistency of about runny oatmeal. Take your paste, put it in your water bottle, and then gently squeeze out small drops along your paper towel. I usually will take the recommended plant spacing, divide it by 3. That will give me enough spacing in between each plant to pick out the strongest seedlings. Time to put the seeds in. Take 2 seeds and put them in each one of the little drops. Now remember, you can get really frustrated with these small seeds. In this process, slow is smooth and smooth is fast. Now fold it in half and let it set for about 24 hours. Then all you're going to need to do is put it off to the side and wait for planting season. Let's get the seeds into the ground. Unroll your seed tapes. Then I cover with a high quality seed starting mixture. This not only helps in germination of the seeds, but it allows me to see where my row is and I can discern between the seedlings and the weeds. Finally, water in with water in your seed starter. Now your planting's done. If you like that tip, hit the subscribe button right here. Also, give me a thumbs up and click on the little bell. It'll let you know the next time that we have a video out. But let's go on to step number 2. Our number 2 technique, starting your seeds indoors using hydrogen peroxide. For this technique, we're going to start with a paper towel, some water, our seed starting solution, a paper plate with your seeds in it, Tupperware container, and a 3% hydrogen peroxide that you should find under your bathroom sink. To mix our sprouting solution, we're going to take our water bottle, we're going to pour it into our squeeze bottle, fill it all the way up to the top. Now we're going to take a capful of the hydrogen peroxide, put it inside our squeeze bottle, and then cap on, give it a good shake, and now we're ready to go. Hydrogen peroxide will kill pathogens on the outside of the shell, and it also breaks down the outside husk to allow oxygen to transfer in to speed up the sprouting process. Put the seeds on half of the paper towel, wet it with our seed starting solution. Make sure that it's damp but not wet. Pat it down to make sure the solution goes all the way through. Fold the paper towel in half. Grab your Tupperware container. Put in the paper towel with the seeds. Close the lid lightly. That'll allow air to transfer in and out. And finish up by taking a sticky note, putting the date that you started it and half of the sprouting time as a date to check. I'm Greg from Bell's Backyard. That's our 2 tips in 5 minutes. I hope you guys got something out of it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Come on, guys.